Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Gabi. On today's video, I'm gonna make tzatziki sauce. All the ingredients of this recipe I'm gonna leave on the description box. But before to start this recipe, we're gonna go to my garden and I'm gonna harvest one of the ingredients. Now we can start. Method: grate the peeled cucumber in a food processor. Transfer to a bowl. Add Greek yogurt. And combine. Add chopped fresh mint. Minced garlic. Olive oil, lemon juice, cooking salt, and mix well. And here is the tzatziki sauce. Well guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video and see you on the next one. See you later. Bye!